The perfect dessert is cinnamon rolls, and I'm going to show you how to make them. You're going to start by mixing together all your dry ingredients, which includes flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, yeast, and cinnamon. The full recipe will be in the link below, and then my secret ingredient is nutmeg. You're going to mix it all together until it's mixed thoroughly, and then in a separate bowl, put together your wet ingredients. Here I have yogurt, milk, and vanilla extract, and then you're going to mix it until it's well combined, and then heat it up in the microwave until the temperature reads about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Then once it's cooled a little, crack in 1 egg and add in some butter and mix that until it's well combined. Then you're going to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, and using a Dutch whisk, mix it together until a dough starts to form. Once the dough starts to form, you can add it to a well-floured work surface and just start kneading it until a smooth, tacky ball starts to form. Then you're going to oil a bowl, add your dough, and cover it and let it rest until it's doubled in size, so about 2 hours. While that's resting, you're going to make your cinnamon sugar mix. I'm combining sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And then just use your tiny whisk and whisk it all together. Then to a well-floured surface, you're going to add your dough, but first make sure you deflate it. And then you're going to roll out your dough until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And then you're going to spread some butter on your dough and then add your cinnamon sugar mix. Make sure you don't leave any bald spots. And then you're going to roll up your dough. Make sure when you're rolling it, you keep it as tight as possible. And then using a serrated knife, you're going to cut out your cinnamon rolls. And then you're going to grease a glass baking tray with butter, and make sure you use a glass dish when you're baking. It really makes a difference. Then you're going to cook in a 350-degree oven. And then while it's baking, you're going to make your cream cheese frosting. So I have cream cheese, powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and vanilla extract. And you're going to mix it until you get this consistency. When the cinnamon rolls come out of the oven, while they're still hot, add your cream cheese frosting. This is going to come out ooey gooey and delicious. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, where you'll get to see all my other good recipes.